In the question above, we are to determine the mass of water produced when 8.0 grams of hydrogen react with XX oxygen. And to do that, the first thing to do here is to write out the chemical equation showing the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. And when hydrogen and oxygen reacts, we have water as a product. So let's do that. And this is not balanced yet. And to balance that, now we have a balanced chemical equation. To get the mass of water that we produced, we need to know the reacting mass of the substance involved. And the substance involved in our calculation here will just be hydrogen and water. Those are the two substances we'll be dealing with. So let's calculate the reacting mass of hydrogen and the reacting mass of water as well. Hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio in which they are combining, 2:1, and for the product we have 2. This is gotten from the coefficient of the substance in the equation, and it will be serving as the number of moles, because reacting mass, the formula we'll be using will be number of mole multiplied by the molar mass. Let's continue. We've gotten the number of moles here, then which means the molar mass. For hydrogen, molar mass, that will be the sum of the atomic mass of the elements present. So we have just hydrogen and we have 2 atoms present. That's 2 multiplied by 1, which is equivalent to 2 units, you can say grams per mole. Hence the reacting mass, the number of moles, got from the equation, here we have 4 grams. So we've done that of hydrogen, it remains that of water. So let's continue. Molar mass of H2O. So the atomic mass of hydrogen 1, and we have 2 atoms, plus oxygen is 16, and this is equal to 18 units grams per mole. Then reacting mass of water as well, that will be the number of moles. From the question we have 2 equivalent to 36. We've gotten the reacting mass of the substances, which is hydrogen and water. So the next thing to do is to determine the mass of water that we produced if we have 8 grams of hydrogen gas. And to do that, we'll be using the relationship. 4 grams of hydrogen will produce 36 grams of water, and 8 grams of hydrogen will produce x grams of water. From here, making x the subject, x equals 8 grams multiplied by 36 grams divided by 4 grams. In calculating this, we have 72 grams, which should be serving as the final answer. With this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the mass of water that will be produced when 8 grams of hydrogen reacts with 36 oxygen to be 72 grams. And that will be all. Do like to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.